Okay. Stop. He's under arrest. He's under arrest. You don't listen, you're going to go to jail too.
Oh, great. Listen.
I did not do anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back or you're going
Stop
to get tased.
hurting.
On March 25th, 2025, at 18 p.m., De Pere police in Wisconsin respond to a situation involving a male suspect and his female companion, appears to be his mother. The suspect is argumentative from the start, refuses to cooperate fully, and ends up arrested on an active warrant. Let's see what happened.
It sounds like you got some warrants. I don't want to do it in front of grandma.
Literally just
Stop.
I didn't even do anything wrong.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. He's under arrest. He's under arrest. Stop.
What?
Stop.
Tell me what I did wrong.
Stop. You're under arrest. You have a warrant.
Wrong.
You're under arrest. You have a warrant.
Tell me what's up.
He's got a warrant. He's under arrest.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For probation violation.
Probation?
No,
What do you mean?
Stop.
Hold it, please.
I did it
Back up now.
I need to
Back
know.
up now.
I'm sorry. I need to
Aiden,
know
I'm going to
what's
tase you.
going
Don't put your
on.
I didn't do
Please
He's got
tell me.
a warrant.
I got that, but tell me what the probation.
Ma'am, back up now.
I would like to know what is going
Back up.
on.
Do not grab me.
I am not.
Do not touch me.
anything wrong.
Tell me. Hold
You're going to the ground if you don't put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now.
back, Aiden.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I did not do anything
Aiden,
wrong. Stop hurting my right wrist. I did not do anything
Put your hands
wrong.
behind your back or you're going
Stop
to get tased.
hurting
Aiden,
my right
I don't want to
wrist.
tase you
Put
in
your
front
left
of
I
hand
did not do anything
behind your
wrong.
back now.
You guys are bullies.
Aiden, put your hands
I
behind
didn't
your
do
back now.
anything wrong.
Aiden, I don't want to hurt you. Put
You
your hands
have
behind your
already.
Put your hands behind
I
your
have
back
not
now.
done anything wrong.
Take this hand.
This is all because I smoked weed. This is wrong. You guys are doing worse.
Aiden, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
I have not done anything wrong.
Aiden, put your hands behind your back.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Aiden, please. I'm gonna go with.
I didn't do anything wrong. They're not gonna let you go with
You're
me.
gonna get tased.
No.
Do you want
Put
your
your
hands
hands
behind your
behind
back
your
to work?
No.
They're
Aiden,
not
Put
going to
your
let
hands
you
behind your
with.
back now.
Please,
No, I
please.
didn't do anything wrong.
Stop.
Mom,
Aiden.
put the camera on me. I didn't do anything wrong.
Aiden, please. Please cooperate. Please cooperate. I will come with you. Please stop it. Stop it. I get it. I get it. This is absurd.
1080.
I didn't do anything
Stop.
wrong.
Okay. Enough.
I did not do anything
Yes, it did not go that way.
Stop it.
Okay.
What's
Just
wrong with you
Stop.
guys? Knock it off.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Companion mentions mental health and hearing loss. Officers confirm there is an active warrant and the suspect is going to jail. Suspect argues he only smoked weed and is being treated unfairly.
Didn't do anything
Get
wrong.
her out of here.
You know what?
You're gonna go to jail
Mental
too.
health
You don't listen.
issue.
You don't listen, you're gonna go to jail too.
Oh, great. Listen, I want you right. He has mental health issues.
Okay, well he's got a warrant, he's going to jail.
Look, I need you to listen.
Okay.
He has mental health issues
Okay, we'll let the jail know.
Treating me like this.
and a hearing loss.
All I've done is smoke weed.
And I'm going there with you.
No, you're not.
Because, yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes.
You can go to the jail and tell them what your grievances are, but you are not coming with us.
Absolutely. I understand. What jail is he going to?
Brown County Jail.
And where
You
is
guys
it?
want the rap?
I haven't done
Where is it?
wrong.
Where is it?
I'm right up front.
I want to see
3030 Curry Lane.
Show some
this
respect.
30 Curry Lane.
Yep.
I want to
If
see.
you'd like to grab a pen and paper, I can write it down for you.
Off of me.
Nope, that's not gonna happen.
I have not done anything wrong. This is because I smoked weed.
You want to sit down?
Nothing else.
I'm eating.
Stop.
Mom, here. I've got one.
You guys are abusive.
Go and sit
What are you
down, Mom,
doing?
please.
What is the point of this?
I want to know.
3030
No.
Curry Lane.
I'm not the one in the wrong.
CURRY.
You guys should be ashamed of yourselves.
And that's in the city of Green Bay. I don't know the zip code, but it's on the far east side.
You have warrants for your arrest.
Okay, I want to know what this warrant is. If I can see this warrant,
I
please.
don't have a paper copy of the warrant. We have an electronic copy.
Can I see it, please?
Dispatch is confirming it right now. After he
Can I
goes,
see it, please?
after he goes into the squad car and
I
on
would
his
like
way to
see
jail,
it
I will
now.
show it to you.
I would
Nope,
like it now.
that's not an option.
Why?
Because I'm saying no. Because we're dealing with this right now.
Excuse me?
That's
We
correct.
should have a right to see a warrant
Okay.
before anything happens.
Is he an adult?
Yes, he
Okay, then
is.
I'll show him the warrant. You're not his caretaker. He's an adult. He's able to care for himself.
His mental
So I
health
will
care needs.
totally understand.
Do you? Tell me about that.
No,
Tell me what he's dealing with.
I don't know what he's dealing with right now. He's being uncooperative and probably catching more charges because this is not
Because
making
he
it
has
any.
mental health care needs.
And I'll pass it on to the jail.
So you guys don't understand this. Yes, please videotape this.
It is all being recorded right now, including your demeanor.
Good. Why? Because you guys need to understand about mental health care needs.
Okay.
Suspect and companion continue debating the warrant's validity. At around 6:16, the officer finally reveals the warrant is specifically related to smoking weed, marijuana violation. Officers explain they will show it once he is in the squad car for safety. No paper copy is available on scene. Dispatch confirmed it electronically.
I don't make the rules. I don't issue the warrants. I am required to enforce them.
I got
He has
that.
a warrant. I have to abide by
I
it.
want to know that warrant.
I will.
Show it to him now.
No, absolutely not. If he cooperated, I would. But he could go to jail and he can get a copy of a warrant there.
He
But he
has
is
a
not.
right to see that warrant now.
No, he does not.
Yes, he
No, he
does.
does not.
Before you take him anywhere,
No.
yes, he does.
No, not even
We have
close.
a right to be able to see a warrant.
Okay.
So show him your warrant.
And not right now. If he cooperates, sure, I'll show him the warrant. Otherwise,
Before
he can.
you leave?
No.
Yes.
Nope. He'll go to jail. And then he'll see the warrant on the way to jail or at
I
jail.
cannot believe this. Because I smoke weed, you are doing this?
That's just the way it is. I'm sorry. If you have a.
Put the warrant out.
I don't know. I can look that up for you. But right now, you're distracting me from this. So if you could.
There's a reason.
Why is there a reason that you want to
Because he
distract me
has
from him?
mental health needs.
I've never done anything
And
other
this
than
is
smoke
not
weed.
helping.
Tell me what the
Him
warrant is for.
uncooperating is not helping. I
Excuse
agree.
me?
Tell me it
I
doesn't
agree.
have to
Excuse
do with
me?
weed. Tell
No,
me
I
it
didn't
is.
say that.
Dude,
This is about
literally,
mental
all of
health.
this because I
And
smoke
you have
weed.
no
What is wrong
idea
with you
what
guys?
he is dealing
Like,
with.
what you-
We have been working with because our system is broken.
I agree with that. There are issues in the system. I would
There
agree with you
are
100%.
issues.
Yeah.
This is a human
It's
right violation.
impossible
We're
to get
smoking
mental
weed.
health care needs for people who need it.
Have you reached out to our?
I've reached out to everybody.
Who have you reached out specifically from the city of De
You
Pere?
guys,
We have called the mental health police who come and talk, and then they say,
There's no
you can,
there's no such thing as mental
the
health police.
people who work with that,
Okay.
who you can call
Who
and
did you
say,
specifically call?
I can go get the cards.
Have you talked to
okay?
John Bushmaker?
Yes, I have.
Okay, and
And
have
you
you-
know what? I knew all the resources before he did. I work in resources.
Yeah, and I don't disagree that there's issues with the system, but unfortunately he has a warrant. He needs to go to jail and address that
And
warrant.
we need to see that warrant.
Okay.
He deserves
He is
to
an adult,
see that
and
warrant.
he's an adult, and if he
before
cooperates,
you
I will
take
show him.
anywhere.
No, we're gonna take him out of this house first.
And we have a
Not
We
in this
don't
situation.
have rights. Yes,
Not
we
in this
do.
situation. No.
Yes, we do.
No, you can't demand things.
Yes.
If he cooperates, we can show him.
There's no way he can't.
He's in a rap right now because he's not cooperating. That
that's
rap
not
is
true.
forcing
You
him
guys
to
fucking
cooperate.
jumped me.
So show him.
know
your
better.
Do you want to see
warrant.
the warrant?
Dude, it's for smoking weed.
Is it?
Hey,
So he
yeah,
knows he
no
has
shit
a
it is.
warrant?
What else is it? It could not be for anything else.
I haven't seen the warrant.
What?
I have not seen the
Then
warrant.
Then why are you gonna
why
talk about
are
it like you know about it?
Yes.
Come on now. Listen
Why
to
are
yourself.
you
This
here?
is so
99.
Okay.
Perfect.
Confirmed.
Show him
Smoking
the warrant.
weed. My God, you guys are
The
ridiculous.
warrant. We have a right to see
Ma'am,
a
he's got a
warrant.
warrant. It's
No, you have a
CIC.
no. We have the right to see it.
Into the house.
No, we have the
Show
right to
him
see
the
it.
warrant.
Let's pull it
You
up.
can ask for it.
My
It sounds like
God.
he's well aware that he has a
Show him the
warrant.
It's
Sounds
for
like he's well
smoking
aware.
weed.
Aiden, Would you like me to see the warrant?
I would love that, because I don't
Okay.
trust any of these
Please.
bastards.
Once he's in the squad car,
These guys
No,
are brainless
before you
drones
take
just doing what they're
my
told.
I'm telling you right
Just how the
now, if you
Holocaust
stop
started.
us from
All
leaving this house, you're
bitches
going to
like
jail too.
you
I want
just
to
do as
see
you're
the
told
warrant.
without any thought. You're doing this to your own people
I
for
want
smoking
to see
weed.
the
If you were
warrant.
hurt on the street, I would help you. I can't when you treat me like this.
Wait, hold on.
We'll get to that in a
We
second.
have a right to see the warrant.
I don't know where in the Constitution you think it
It's
says that. but
ridiculous.
Well, you guys
you guys.
are messy.
It doesn't say the mom of the person we're arresting has the right to see you.
Give me permission
Doesn't
to
say that.
show me the warrant.
Yep, he's an adult. He's made adult decisions, and these are the consequences.
The warrant.
This isn't a safe warrant.
Tell me what you did.
It's a warrant for his arrest.
Yeah, because I smoke weed. This is how you guys treat people. This is how they treat people who smoke weed. If you smoke weed, this is what they're gonna fucking do to you. Guys,
We'll spin him, go feet first.
you guys, I know that you're trying to like block this, you know, mentally, but think about what you're doing. Think about why. Nobody has trained you to do that. Know that much. And please do not hurt me unnecessarily. Treat me with the respect you deserve.
Yep, we're trying, but you're
No,
making it
you're
difficult.
not. This is in no way respectful. You know this. This is an assault. This is a crime against humanity. And you know what? I know for a fact that you police have treated other people worse. I know that for a fact. All over for smoking weed.
You got the rest of the rap?
Suspect is taken into custody and transported to Brown County Jail at 3030 Curry Lane, Green Bay. No physical force is used, just verbal commands and standard procedure. The suspect had an active warrant. In the U.S., once officers confirm a warrant through dispatch, they are legally required to take the person into custody. The suspect's argumentative behavior and refusal to comply quickly made the situation longer than it needed to be, but officers stayed professional and gave multiple explanations. An active warrant, even for something like a marijuana violation, authorizes arrest anywhere the person is located. Officers do not have to show the physical warrant paper on scene. Electronic confirmation from dispatch is enough. Showing it after the person is secured in the squad car is standard safety protocol to prevent fights or attempts to grab documents. Mental health mentions do not automatically cancel a warrant. Officers noted it but still had to enforce the arrest. No use of force was needed here, which is exactly how these stops should go when the suspect eventually complies.